Welcome to the Stitch Guide. This week we're going to be looking at this mesh, arch mesh. This is a nice simple fabric for beginners. It's got lots of give. It's great for shopping bags and it's nice and quick to work up. So let's get started. So using DK acrylic yarn and a 4mm hook, I'm going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to make a chain in a multiple of 4. So I'm going to make 20 and then we're going to plus 1. Yeah, so I'm going to make 21 chains. So after you've made your chain, however long you want to make that, a multiple of 4 plus 1, we're then going to chain 5 for this foundation chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to, working into the 10th chain from the hook, we're going to make a US single, UK double. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to go into the chain and make a US single, UK double. Yeah, we're then going to chain 5. And we're going to skip 3. And into the 4th chain, we're going to make a US single, UK double. So that's our repeat all the way along to the end of the chain, yeah? Chain 5. Skip 3 and then a US single, UK double. And then we'll be at the end of the chain. In that last chain, we will make a US single, UK double. Yeah. So we're now going to make the first row of our repeat. Yeah. So it's just a 2-row repeat. And we're going to, so to begin each row, we start the same by chaining 6. We're then going to turn the work and we make a US single, UK double into the first chain 5 space. We then chain 5 and make a US single, UK double into the chain 5 space. So we're going to do that all the way along to the end of the row. US single, UK double into the chain space, chain 5. And then a US single, UK double and chain 5. So when we get to the end of that second row, we're going to make a US single, UK double. And then we chain 2. And we make a US double, UK treble into that chain space. Yeah, so now we're going to make the second row of our repeat. So just like last time, we chain 6 to start the row. Turn the work And again, we make a US single, UK double into the first chain 5 space. So we skip the chain 2 space and work into the chain 5 space, a US single, UK double, chain 5. And hop across to the next space, make a US single, UK double, and chain 5. Into the next space, make a US single, UK double, and chain 5. Hop across into the next space and make a US single, UK double, and chain 5. And then make a US single, UK double into that last chain space, and that's the end of the 3rd row. As you can see, we can then pull it out and move your stitches about if you need to. As you build up, it starts to take shape better. So to go into, what will it be, 1, 2, 3, into round row 4, you're going to repeat row 2, yeah? And as you can see, that's worked up quite quickly. We've just done 3 rows together. So keep going. You can make your fabric as big as you want, and I'll see you in the next video.